Let's draw this M30 bolt in front of us. So the goal in this video here is to draw realistic threads in Autodesk Inventor. So in model, we're gonna click on revolve. We are going to revolve. You have the threads on your bolts. So I'll say visibility off. Good. So here I'm gonna cut there to make sure that this model, we're gonna click on extrude. We'll cut this one here, we will cut that one, and there. Now you have your bolts, the M30 bolt. Pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.